Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Pages and pick blank or a template that matches your goal. You're starting work now, not configuring later. Set page size and margins in the Document Inspector so layouts won't shift when you add content. Once done, enable the Format sidebar and pick your font, size, and line spacing. These choices control rhythm and readability. You'll type content immediately, but keep styles in mind because consistent styles save time when you format headers, lists, and body text later. Add elements with the Insert menu. Choose text, table, chart, shape, or media to build the page. Apply paragraph and character styles to control headings and body text. When you modify a style, every instance updates instantly, which saves manual fixes. For graphics, group items and use arrange to set alignment, wrap text, and stacking order so nothing overlaps unexpectedly. Once aligned, review each section for consistency and make adjustments to spacing and anchors so the layout stays stable across edits. When you're ready, export or share. Choose PDF, Word, or EPUB and check compatibility options to preserve fonts and layout. Proof the document with spelling and grammar, add comments, or turn on track changes for collaboration. These steps prevent rework. If the layout breaks after edits or on another Mac, toggle between continuous and page layout or reset problematic styles to their defaults. That usually fixes spacing and flow issues. If problems persist, revert to a saved version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.